Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk about gravel driveways. There are two main types of rock in this area that we use, basalt and granite. And for driveways, I prefer the basalt because they're blasted out of a rock face and crushed, so they end up with sharp, jagged edges all the way around, where the crushed granite from here is crushed out of small rocks. So you end up with round surfaces and jagged, and it causes it doesn't lock up as well, the granite. So I prefer the basalt, and a cost-effective way to maintain your driveway is to use a product called 3/4 inch clean basalt. And I get it out of Shine Quarry or Ace down in Bremerton, and it works really well because it'll spread. You can spread it out thin. So some things to remember are, first, you want to address the potholes by either a pickaxe or mini excavator can scratch them out. Run down the driveway with a bobcat or a mini blade to rough it up, and then set your gate chain really tight so that it's just a small trickle, and you can spread out your whole driveway with one rock high. And in order to figure out your quantities, if you were to measure your driveway, your length times your width, and depending on how thick you want it, say with the 3/4 clean, you can go down to like an inch thick. So you would take your length times your width times 0.083, and that will give you a number, and you divide that number by 27, and that'll give you your cubic yards to cover your road. And that formula can be used if you're going to put it on thicker as well. So whatever thickness you want, just take that number. So if you want 4 inches, go 4 divided by 12, and that'll give you a decimal 0.333, and that's now your conversion. So length times width times 0.33 will give you a number, divided by 27 will give you your cubic yards. So I hope that helps, and we'll talk about steep driveways and other. This works best on kind of a flat driveway that's in decent shape. So it's more of a maintenance way to go. So that's it. Talk to you soon.